1 Corinthians 14, verse 34 and 35, as in the King James Version. Let your women keep silence in the churches. Note that in the King James Version it says your women, and not just women, as Paul is speaking about the marriage order. Paul is not addressing all women here. He is addressing the wives who were being talkative, disrupting the church service with their vocalized questions to their husbands. Paul tells them to be silent in the church service and to ask their questions of their husbands at home. Paul is not giving a commandment for all women for all times to always be totally silent in church. He is dealing with a local situation at the Corinthian church and the wives who were disrupting the church service. It is not a general statement to silence all women for all days and to prevent them from speaking in church at all. Paul himself said that women can speak and minister in church, as per 1 Corinthians 11 verse 5. Also, let's look at the following biblical scenarios. If a person speaks in tongues and there is no interpreter, then they are to be silent, as in 1 Corinthians 14 verse 28. If the prophets have something revealed to them, then the first is to be silent and let the other speak, as in 1 Corinthians 14 verse 30. If a woman wants to ask questions of the husband, she must do it at home and be silent in the church, as in 1 Corinthians 14 verse 34. It is not mandate to silence the women in the church any more than to silence the speaker in the tongues or the prophets.